everybody look at this. This is a gold level.
I got
1,
it.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 touches. This is resistance. There's no way around it. If you didn't think this is resistance, stop trading for another month and start listening to what I talk about. This is the
So you
absolute
consider
ceiling. Isn't
those
this the
algo wicks?
isn't
You
this
consider
the
those too?
yes. Isn't this the absolute ceiling? Yeah, this is the absolute top. So if you guys are FOMOing into that, of course you're going to get your faces ripped off. That was guaranteed. There's no other place for that to go. You had to wait for the break and hold. Break and hold, because you can see they pop through before it rips your throat clear out, right? Has to be a break and hold above resistance, because otherwise, what are we buying on resistance?
Puts.
Puts, coach.
Right, right. We're not buying longs or calls. Okay, good. Don't let FOMO get you. Make sure you, now right here, look, here's the buying opportunity. You see it at 669? This is a buy.
Yeah, we're gonna
Look.
scalp it.
Yeah, because look, it bounced here, it bounced here, it bounced here, and now we got a bounce here, it bounced here, it bounced here, it bounced here, right?
Yeah.
And then what you're looking for, it has to break and hold above 6943. If it does not, it's going to trade in this channel until it either breaks or dumps. That's it. There's nowhere else it can go possibly ever. So if you did buy in at this spot, let's say this was regular market hours, you bought in at this spot, you could literally put your stop right here or wait, till it gets just above it and leave it alone the rest of the day. As long as it never comes back and breaks through that level, it has to be to the upside the rest of the day, all day. Do you understand me? That's it, period. It can go nowhere else. Leave it alone. Now, who just made money on that? Look, so this is the buy, not this. This is the sell. This is the buy. Make sense?